Looking for premium, all-weather outdoor protection for your vehicle? Check out the Defender at California Car Cover. This 3-layer fabric features a durable outer layer, a dense middle layer, and a soft lining to protect your paint while it protects the vehicle from UV rays, moisture, dust, everything that Mother Nature can throw at it. Now, we love this fabric because it's heavyweight, it's durable, and has a little bit of stretch, so it gives you that ultimate fit and protection that you come to expect from our company. So check out this video on why we love the Defender fabric at California Car Cover. The Defender is a heavyweight 3-layer car cover that provides an excellent barrier from the elements. It is designed to protect your vehicle from UV rays, dust, dirt, bird droppings, and water. The woven polyester outer layer is combined with a polyurethane inner layer for exceptional water resistance and durability. The inner layer is soft and smooth against your vehicle's paint finish. The 3 layers combine to create a heavyweight barrier of protection for your vehicle. Though highly water resistant, the fabric is still breathable to allow condensation to evaporate. Plus, it has a slight stretch for improved fit and easier installation. The material is designed for daily outdoor use, but can also be used indoors to keep your vehicle clean while in storage.